Hi everyone, welcome back to Quizxp. In this video, we are going to discuss week 2 assignment of Python for data science, and the due date for this assignment is 10th of August, so make sure to do it by then. Also, subscribe to our channel for upcoming week assignment answers. Without wasting any further time, let's start the video. For question number 1, which of the following function can be used to resize a NumPy array? For this, option B and option C is the right answer. Question number 2. Create the tuple given below. Identify which of the following option does not work on the given tuples. For this, D is the right answer. Question number 3. Create a sequence of numbers from 15 to 25 and increment by 4. What is the index of the element 19? For this, option D is the right answer. Question number 4. Consider a variable job. Which of the following expression will retrieve the last character from the string? For this, option B and option D is the right answer. And before moving further, I would like to add, if there is any change in answers, we'll update on our Telegram channel. So make sure to check the link in the description. Also, we post updates regarding Nptel assignments, internship opportunities for college students, and job opportunities. So make sure to join our Telegram channel. We have already 19,000 subscribers. So make sure to join and don't miss out. The link is in the description. Now moving forward to question number 5. Given a list, what would be the most efficient method of determining the unique element? For this, B is the right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following data structure can be used as a key while creating a dictionary? For this, B is the right answer. Question number 7. Given a dictionary, states is used to remove the key value pair. For this question, C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Question number 8. Which of the following is valid to declare a string literal signature to a variable? For this, A is the right answer. Make sure to join our Telegram channel for further updates regarding Nptel assignment internship opportunities. Now moving forward, question number 9. For this, D is the right answer. Question number 10. For this, C is the right answer.